I gave myself just 5 minutes to model every chess piece. No planning, no second chances, just pure speed and creativity. Now let's see what the result is.
And let's start the timer. All right, so then I'm going to sketch on the top plane, and then my base is 20 millimeters. So that's going to be my base there. And then when I extrude this, I extrude this up 10 millimeters. So that is kind of the actual base of my Rook. And so I think I want to create kind of the same similar structure because I want kind of a cohesive look between all my pieces. So I'm going to create two planes. One plane I'm going to offset from the top at, let's go 15. Actually, I'm going to jump back over to the pawn and see this plane. What did I offset this? It is 15. Okay, cool. I just want to keep everything cohesive. So that's 15. So that's going to be, let's name this, come on. There we go. Let's name this midpoint. And then let's go ahead and create another plane. Now let's look at our pawn, and then this plane is 35 off the bottom. So I want my Rook to be a little bit taller than my pawn. So let's go 38. And it's going to be offset of the top as well. So good, that makes my Rook just a little bit taller. And so then I'm going to, on the midpoint, sketch, and I want it to be a little bit beefier. So let's go, oh, no, not that. Oh, there goes that F1 key again. Okay, so a center point square, rectangle. Let's do 15 by 15. No, that's too much. Let's do 12 by 12 because I want it a little bit beefier than the pawn, but not huge. So that's good. And then we're going to do another sketch on the top plane. And then let's make this square. Let's go 25 by 25. Start with that, and then I missed my constraints, so we're going to add that back in. I think 25 is too big. I think it's too big, so let's go 20 by 20. Let's just see how that looks. Let's go ahead and do the loft now. So we're going to loft from the base to the square to the top square. Yeah, that makes our Rook look a little bit beefier. Let's go ahead, and I think we're doing a fillet around here, right? How's that looking? Actually, that doesn't look good because of this sketch size. So let's go 10 and 10. Nope, that's not 10. Okay, and I think that looks a little bit better. Still gives it a little bit of a beefier look as well. Actually, I'm just going to double check on this pawn. This first extrude, how much is this? It is 10. Okay. Just, again, keeping everything cohesive, so just checking there. So now I'm going to do the chamfer on the top, which I like that. And then I'm going to go to the top plane, and I'm going to do a sketch on this, and I'm going to do a circle. Just gonna have this come right out. I think 15 looks like, yes. And then I'm going to, let's extrude this up. Let's go up. Let's go 8. Let's go 10. Yeah, okay, we'll do 10. I'm gonna do another sketch on here. Another circle. Let's do this one. Let's go. The other one was 15, so let's go 12. That looks okay. Let's actually do 11. Give it a little more beef to it, a little more heft. And then we're going to extrude here, and this time we're going to do a remove, but we're only going to remove 5 millimeters. I think that works. And then on the top here, we're going to do another sketch on this plane. And I'm just going to sketch a line here. And we're going to do another line here. And I want these about 4. Oh, and there's the timer. Okay, so that's what I did in 5 minutes. I got that done. I'm not going to leave it like this because I want my chess piece to look a little bit better than what this looks like. So I definitely am going to go ahead and finish it. It doesn't need that much. I just need to go ahead and dimension this at 1.5. So in the sketch, I'm going to do a circular pattern, and I'm going to go ahead and select this and this. And then the number is, let's do 6. That looks good. And then we're going to take this and we're going to extrude, remove, and we're going to remove these. But we're just going to do 3. Okay. Boom. There you go. So that's my Rook. Rook is done. And let's see how long this one takes to print. I bet this one is going to be pretty close to 45-50 minutes. But let's see. So let's go ahead and export. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Only about 30 minutes to print this.